addition, according Joseph Pripenko, 1987, productivity improvement is not just doing the thing better, but the most importantly, it is doing the right thing better. The productive improvement is the process of achieve more output from an hour of work. Why did it benefit the productive improvement? It is include the decrease in overall cost combined with an increase in revenue. The right thing better should be concern of productivity program manager and importantly knew a few factors that cause of productivity. There are three main productive factor groups such as job related, resource related, and environment related. According to Mukherjee and Singh, that they suggest to classification the productivity factor in two factors, such as internal factor and external factor. Why the Mukherjee and Singh classification the productivity improvement? Because our main concern in the economic is analysis of managerial factor rather than productivity factor. In addition, with these classifications, it is easy to distinguish the factor which one they can control. Okay, next, I will introduce about the internal factor of enterprise productivity. Some internal factors are more easily changed than others. It is useful to classify them into two groups, such hard factor and soft factor. The hard factor include product, technology, equipment, and raw material. Next, for the soft factor, include organization, system, labor force, management style, and work method. Next, about the product factor. The product factor productivity means the extent which the product meets with output requirements. The product means the people who have spent the money which amount of quality of product. The higher of quality the product means the higher of productivity. And with the many product produced, it means the higher of demand. Many company equipment. What is plant and equipment to productivity? The plant equipment and equipment productivity can be improved by attention to utilization, age, modernization, cost, investment, and so on. This is play a central role in productivity improvement program through good maintenance and reducing the idle time and making more effective for workers. For the technology in hard factor, technology can increase a value of a good service, quality improvement, new marketing method that can achieve through increased automation and information technology. Automation can also improve material handling, storage, communication system, and quality control. Enough for the material and energy that can bring the remarkable result. The source of productivity include raw material and indirect material. What is indirect material? Indirect materials such as chemical materials and food material. The important aspect of material productivity include material yield, use control of wastage and scrapping, upgrading of material by initial process to improve utilization, demand process, and import substitutions. For the next factor, we go to soft factor. First, soft factor are tell about the people. People in productivity have a role play as a worker, engineer, driver, manager, and trade union, and so on. Each role has two aspects, its applications and effectiveness. Fourth is organization and system. An organization needs to be dynamically operated, led toward objective, and must be maintained, serviced, and recognized from time to meet a new objective. Method. Word method is a technique aimed to make a manual work that more productive by improving the way in which the work is done, the human movement performed, the tool used, the workplace laid out, the material handled, and the machine employed. Management style and practice and influence organizational design that such as personal policy, job design, operational design and control, maintenance and purchasing policy. So in conclusion, productivity is defined as a ratio between production and input. In addition to productivity, it can measure the efficiency of the use in company or organization such as system. Improvement in productivity are important to build the employees' discipline, motivation, or proactive effectiveness and be guaranteed. The classification of factor by Mukherjee and Singh were helped to distinguish the factor productivity with internal and external factor. So that's all. Thank you.